If you've been following the SQL series, so far we have created a table in SQL, we have inserted customers using SQL, we have added and deleted fields using SQL, and we have used and to filter and like to find patterns within our data, within the database. Now we're going to look at the order by clause. So let's create a query. Create query design, close, and SQL the lower right-hand corner. Let's select a couple fields from the table. Last name, comma, first name, comma, and I'll use state. From the customer table, customer T, and order by, and I'll use last name. And let's take a look at it. Design and run. Here we get the A's at the top and Z, or in this case, D's at the bottom. Let's take a look at the query. Right click, SQL view. You can also order by descending. And let's take a look at it. Design and run. Here we get the V's at the top and the A's at the bottom. So descending order. Right click on the tab, SQL view. We can also order by. You can spell the name out. Spell the name of the field out, by, like as I did here, or you can put in the number 1. Number 1 being here, last name 1, 2, and 3. So let's take a look at it. Design, run, and A's at the top and V's at the bottom. Right click, SQL view, and you can also order by different fields. Let's go 3 by 1, 2, 3 by the state, comma, and 1 being the last name. So by the state and the last name. Let's take a look at it. Design, run, and we get the C's at the top. Okay, let's save this query. And we'll call this the order by Q. Q for query. So again, you can order by spelling the field out, by the name, or you can use the numbers, and you can sort by more than one field. Thanks for watching.